Are you a participant of the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, also known as SNAP or food stamps? Are you looking for a job? If you answered yes, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, Employment and Training, or SNAP-ET program can help. SNAP-ET offers employment and training assistance to those wanting to find a job. Participants meet with a workforce development specialist and receive career coaching to develop professional goals. The goal of career coaching is to support people in making informed decisions about their career path and offer various tools, resources, and opportunities they can use to meet those goals. In addition to career coaching and guidance, SNAP-ET also offers access to training and educational completion options. Do you like interacting with people and have good customer service skills? Do you enjoy working in an office setting? And are you interested in brushing up on your computer skills? Training in Microsoft Office Suite and basic accounting and finance is available. Your SNAP-ET specialist could also look at your past experience and suggest new opportunities you may not have thought of, such as becoming an administrative professional or program assistant. Not only is it a high-demand field, it could be extremely rewarding and provide job stability. Do you find yourself being a caregiver to those around you? Or are you the calming presence in an otherwise hectic environment? With a little bit of career coaching, you may find that a career in medicine would be a good fit, perhaps becoming a home health aide, medical assistant, or pharmacy technician. Healthcare is one of the top 10 in-demand industries in Virginia and is expected to continue to grow. Do you need IT training so you can land that help desk technician job you've been eyeing? Do you have the skills to be an ethical hacker? Cybersecurity trainings and certifications are available, including CompTIA. Are you ready to complete your GED or high school diploma? Great, let's do it. Has it been a while since you updated your resume and went on a job interview? Together, we can build your personalized career toolbox. Supportive services are also available to you through the SNAP-ET program, all customized to your specific need. This may include childcare and transportation assistance, medical and housing referrals, and much, much more. So, who can join? If you are receiving SNAP, are 18 or older, and are job ready, you may qualify. SNAP participants are expected to volunteer to participate in SNAP-ET in order to continue to receive assistance past the first 90 days. Some participants may be exempt, but all have the option to volunteer. For more information, contact your SNAP benefit worker. Now, let's recap. SNAP-ET is free, offers educational, employment, and training options specific to your career goals, and connects participants to a workforce development specialist who offers career coaching, job leads, and short-term training options. Our goal is to help you discover yours. Contact your SNAP worker today.